Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Shawomet. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My family has been vacationing in Shawomet for generations, enjoying the beautiful beaches and peaceful atmosphere. Shawomet refers to a place, possibly a location or community, known for its pristine beaches and serene ambiance, which has been cherished by the speaker's family for years. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.